To charge your Motorola Moto G15, first thing you can try is the most simple and obvious way, which is to simply plug it into the Cube charger. So this device supports 18 watts chargers, but you can use even more. It won't just charge with the full power of 100 watts, for example, charger, but it will work. So anyway, I just connected my charger and it's just started charging. And next thing that you can try to charge your device is to connect it to your PC or anything that has power, and then your phone should start charging as well. And the last charging method would be to connect other device like this phone right here to our Motorola, and we can use the USB-C cable to do that, and our phone will start charging as well. It doesn't, so let's exchange the cables. And now it's charging. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.